Well, that's something you don't see every day. It's my colleague Peter with a round of the pole model. He is an amazing guy, absolutely. With his own self-starter. There he goes. Oh, making me dizzy already. Oh my goodness. I'll get in sync with it in a minute. And he's up. Oh my god. Oh, and he's gone again, hasn't he? Jesus.